By just imagining a big car, will it come? No. By just imagining a big mansion, can you buy it? No. If you want to become a millionaire, is it going to happen by just imagining? No. Only by converting imaginations to visualization, this can be achieved. Imagination or visualization. What is the difference between both these two? सुनने में ये दोनों शब्द बिल्कुल एक से लगते हैं, लेकिन इनके मतलब बेहद मुख्तलिफ हैं. Imagination क्या है? It is just like painting a picture in the mind for what we actually desire for. It may be an individual choice and a mindset. A desire for a big car, a big mansion, a foreign tour, or maybe a beautiful life partner. Imagination can always be termed as daydreaming or seeing something with subconscious mind while we fell asleep. इमेजिनेशन सिर्फ एक ड्रीम है जिसका सत्य से या पूरा होने से कोई लेना देना नहीं है, क्योंकि इसको कोई ब्लूप्रिंट तैयार नहीं है, इसको कोई रोड मैप नहीं है, इस तक कैसे पहुंचेंगे इसका कोई रास्ता हमने अभी देखा नहीं है. Whereas visualization is extremely serious business. It's miraculous. It's the most powerful technique. Visualizing the goals, which are extremely big in nature, it consists of a blueprint as to how achievements will be made. It has a plan B always if plan A fails. Visualization is extremely professional in nature as to where to reach, how to reach, and even the sacrifices and compromises it's going to take. The most successful visionaries are extremely professional. These people are always receptive to the changes which are happening around them, and they are very fast in adapting these transformations. Whereas the so-called normal human beings always negatively react to the changes which are happening in the surrounding world. Visualization is a mind technique in which the end goal is crystal clear, including step-by-step achievement of milestones which help one go towards the final aim. Imaginations can be transformed to visualization if used constructively. How imaginations can be transformed to visualization? Just hold a pen in your hand and start writing on a paper as to what I really want and want to achieve in life. Writing always causes thinking, and thinking creates images. Get these images now and create a vision in the mind. Mind it, it's only the visionaries who change the world. The creation of a computer, a mobile, or even a missile is the vision of somebody. Even a painter first dreams his painting and then he paints, which then comes as a masterpiece. Where I am today, where I need to reach by the end of the year, just think about it. Don't worry what resources you have, how much money you have, what limitations you have. Just turn the imagination of reaching newer heights into visualization. Vision directs one life towards a goal. Just convert your daydreaming imagination into visualization, and then it's going to transform the habits which are limitations and coming your way. It's going to certainly inculcate newer habits that includes serious discipline, hard work, moving away from distractions, focusing sharp on working schedules and handling challenges, which make us restless and even more energetic. So, take a pen and a paper. Write what you want in life. What's your dream? Where you want to reach? And more importantly, in what time? I assure you that a phenomenal change is going to happen. It's going to change the way you think and react. Just give it a try. Thank you very much. Jai Guruji. Thanks a lot for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Jai Guruji.